Alright, hey y'all, welcome back. Thanks so much for tuning in. Y'all already know I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna go right on in. We're gonna do some nails today. Today I'll be doing some polygel duck nails, okay? Because the last time I tried to do a duck nail set, y'all, it was almost a disaster over here. So I was kind of scared. So I'm gonna try and do it again, okay? So y'all go ahead and get something to eat on the drink on. Let's come on, y'all. Let's have some fun. Let's do some nails. So I already applied my pop-off base method to my nails, okay? Because these will be pop-offs. Because ain't nobody got time for that. But anyway, look, check it out. If you want to know how to make your own pop-off base, girl, don't even worry about it. For the low, I already did a video. It's up there. Click that link right there in that corner. These are my nail tips I'm going to go in using today, okay? I'm going to go ahead and apply these to my fingers. I'll be right back, okay? So I had to go ahead and apply me some gloves to my hands here because I already know it's about to be a messy situation. I'm going to go in and apply my nail tips to my little fingers here. The brand of polygel that I'm going to go in using today will be your Yogi. This is a transparent pink. So therefore I'm going to go in using your Yogi's base coat as well. So let me go ahead and apply that to the nails. Just to the tip of the nail. I'm not going to apply it to the whole nail. Alright, I'm going to cure this and I'll be right back. So I'm going to go in now with my Young Nails Synergy wipe. And just wipe the tackiness off of each nail here, okay? Although I could have left it on, but I prefer to wipe it off because by me moving back and forth, I've been got some lint. And I don't know if you apply polygel to your nails. That's the most annoying thing. Girl, how all them little lint things crawling all over your polygel. Ain't nobody got time for that. Anywho, so that's what I did. That's that. Now I'm going to go in and I am going to apply polygel to each nail, okay? So normally I don't go in using slip solutions. I'm an alcohol type of gal, but I'm going to go in and use your Yogi slip solution today, okay? Try to anyway, because if it don't work out, girl, I'm going back to my alcohol. I'm going to go in using this here standard brush and picker to apply my polygel to the nails, okay? All right, let's get started.